Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm at Cinnamon Life for a high tea and we are celebrating one of my best friend's birthday. Let's go in. She's waiting for us at the 23rd floor of Cinnamon Life, right in front of the restaurant called Gatz. Let's go in. This event is co-sponsored by this wonderful human being to celebrate another wonderful human being. A traditional high tea platter typically includes finger sandwiches, cones with clotted cream and jam, and a selection of cakes and pastries. Let's see what they have served us one by one. I really love this Cinnamon Life engraved macarons. They look pretty and tasty as well. In the savory items, we were served with a few mini beef burgers. In the platter, we had 2 bruschetta varieties. One was topped with avocado and tuna. The other one was topped with mushrooms and tomato. We were also served with some sandwiches and some chocolate delicacies for us to indulge in. And high tea will always be incomplete without getting a high-end tea. So this time I opted for virgin white tea from Ceylon, while other two opted for iced coffee. If you look at the platter we were served with, it's a miniature of the Cinnamon Life building itself.
Before you leave, you can go to the hostess first, you can write your name, number, and just a signature, and then we will put it for the job.
Okay, we'll do that. Another highlight of our high tea was the live music. It was my best friend's birthday, but they were playing all my favorite songs. Cinnamon Life has got something for everyone, be it its interior, live music, art gallery, culinary artistry and more, which I hope to cover in the next video. Stay tuned, rewatch this one. Until then, enjoy this one.